Hey, I am good, guys. Thank you, my love. Thank you for the rose.
I'm so happy to be here with you tonight. I just want to let you know that I'm falling to the end of the world just to show you that I care. And I want you to know that if you need me, I'll always be there.
Hello?
Getting close, feeling restless.
Hi.
It's
I'm okay, how are you? How is it? Are you okay? Just checking. Good. I'm thinking of going out. And I'll see. I'm kidding. And when are you home? Okay, so you're not close to home. Okay, it was 12, now it's 3. No, I understand, no pressure, babe. Alright then, later. Bye. How ngithini because nani niyathula niyangibuka nami ngiyathula ngiyanibuka asixoxe niphele. From Olive hair, hair by Olive in Nigeria. I'm from Eswatini. Hey, always. I went and I changed because the other one was getting flaky on the front and I didn't accept that, you know, because I don't know how to install myself, so I just don't really partake in it, but like I never really went to dance. A face card that could get us all around the world. Thank you. That hair looks expensive. Just 12,000 and 1,000 for getting it to you. You know, Senegal, yes, that's a country that's in Africa, but I've never been there. Senegal is such a nice name. Senegal. Such a nice name for a country. Yes. One day you will understand that there's hair for 26,000. I'm not, but I've never been to Botswana my whole entire life. I was never born in Botswana. I'm a Swazi. I was born in Swaziland. I stay in Swaziland. I have no business with Botswana. I will tell you, there's hair for 26,000, and I heard that they said there's hair for 56,000, and I was like, 26,000 may be a stretch, but 56, there's no way. There's no way. There is no way. No way in hell. There is no way. Just no way. How do you feel about Congolese men? I don't feel anything. I've never known any Congolese guys. I never ever been around Congo people. Guys, I am alone, so I'm a bit worried. Please plug with skincare. I don't speak French. Shabatagi Labantu 56K is a whole different level of madness. That's exactly what I thought as well. But no, I would never do that, you know. And I know Gucci, but no Gukuluma, I go 30 when I go 30 poverty. And I'm only 30 buffet. 56K for hair. 26K is a stretch, I understand. And then there's another girl who sells hair. There's one that I saw, it was 29,000. But need to mean I just think that there's people who can afford it and there's people who can't. Mena, I can't. And I don't want it. How can you bath with your long nails? That's just the stupidest questions that I've ever had to actually come up with. How are these nails long? How are these nails long? Thank you so much. Has anyone told you how gorgeous you look today, Umuhle Madlamin? Thank you so much. The hair just makes us happy, like how your PS5 makes you happy. You know, that's how it is. The way your PS5 makes you happy, exactly like the hair. That's it good. Now imagine buying someone that 26 hair and they go and they cheat on you. But you guys buy girls iPhones for 28,000 to 32,000, but they still cheat on you. Molo Lelet. That's a nice name, Lelet. Hi, Mo sweetie. Hi, sweet. Tender Sam. Genuine love doesn't exist, but I will keep playing along. Kanyoko. Thank you, Pure. Kudala vele ngifuna kuba wakho Dlamini. That's why I don't mess around with women like that, because it's clearly another man's investment. Do you visit Senegal? I've never started my food there. If they catch you, it's over. Hello, sunshine. You look cute. Hi. How's Ghana? Olive did the things. Same with men. You build them for another woman. Oh God. Hey, mina ngiyohlezi ngiyisishimane. Hey, no, but women they can build a man for another woman. Hi, hero. Guys, my husband just joined the live. Girl, I'm so obsessed with your hair. Thank you, darling. Husband, asambeni madoda akusasizi. Can I take you out for dinner? Yeah, sure. Oh my God, I will take you out. I'm falling in love with myself. Oh. Excuse me, guys. I'm not married, guys. Just my TikTok husband, Haibo. Quick question, can you play chess? No? Thank you, Mhlongo. Thank you, Neymar FM. Saifo, hey, lamanga lanje. Do you play cash send? Now you're talking. Yeah, kaka. Yeah, Mangfala's card. Something cool. Hey, you're back. I'm a girl. Can we be friends, please? I don't take friends from the internet. In fact, that's what I was told, but I appreciate that, hey? How tall are you? I'm 176 centimeters. Sibahle kwadlamini. Thank you, darling. Ubuya ngabani kusasa? Angibuyi babe. Oh God. Ungayithathi mami le mali bazokuthwebula. batangithobela kanjani bank account? Please cela nje ungazivalela amathuba. What, you don't look as tall? Yes, I know, but I'm actually very tall. If stunning was a person, thank you, darling. How much lobola for you? No, you have to experience me before you think. You have to experience me before you judge Uguti. How much do you think I'm worth? You're not going to tell us the rest of the story from the airport. I am not interested. I just, that guy, he ruined. Hey, angifuna kumbona nje lo babelo. Yabona nje yabona nje, that guy hurt me, Shane. I don't even want to see him. Ngiyabonga nje. Uphiro ula kule life, but I'm sure sophumile ngathanda ukwenda lideke lona uvela aphuma nje. I love the way you're dressed. Thank you so much. What is my profession? I'm a polygamist. Kindly stand up so you can see how tall you are. Singing Kapsela because I do have a flat stomach and I'm going to December with no child. Sometimes it looks like it wants to rain and it doesn't rain. I don't understand. When are you going to come to Nelspruit? Soon. Okay, how are you? For a special purpose. Now, what's more special than you? It's something that's been lost. You don't need to call it to work 'cause you're the boss. For real, you show me how you feel. You're in your 20s. How old are you in your 20s? Let's make sure I'm older than you. profession? I don't have one. Yeah, 22. I'm 24. That is rape. I'm raping you if I do that. But I mean, you are of consent, so I can chow. I can still chow. Yeah, I've been charging that thing, and I was hoping that by now I'd be playing. Golf or soccer? No, football. Ngiyaphila Mwela Sunjan. I'm from Eswatini, Swaziland. Not Switzerland, Swaziland. SWAZILAND. CR7 or Messi. Always Messi. I'm gay. Can you please accept me? I love you so much. I have no friend. But if you're gay, tell me if you're a bottom or top. I can take you if you're a bottom because then your thing hasn't been used. Yeah, top, eh? Nope. I'll pass. Have you ever stayed in Manzini? Yes, I stayed in Manzini my whole entire life. I grew up in Manzini. My whole life was in Manzini. Send my greetings to your king. Please one day tell them Nongobani is alive. I have never met the king on personal or had a conversation with him. I don't think I will ever. You've been live since 5 in the morning. I've been live since 8. And then I pulled out at 9 and then I left. I only just came back now. You're so calm. Do you ever get hype or lit? No. Hey. If I could know the absolute truth behind one question, what would you ask? I would ask, what our purpose on earth is really, what really is our purpose on earth? And do we really all get to go to heaven? That's my, the one question I need answers from. You look familiar, yet I can't recall where Wafunza in MG Ngo or St. Teresa. No, I went to Begolani Lutheran. I'm a loser. I need to pay Lobola for you. Check your inbox. You pay it in my account. I'll send you. You pay it in my account. What do you think you'd be up to if we were still living in an Adam and Eve era? I think we'd probably be in the garden right now. Just probably doing garden things. You know. I think we're all not going to heaven, but that's also what confuses me. But it's really, I don't know. But hello, can we be friends so I can have your number? We'll be friends here on TikTok. Don't worry. Was one mutlo your sake? Huh? I don't know what to say. So see now, me, I think one thing that's going to be unfair, if really everybody is going to go to heaven, even if they say they apologize, right? What about those ones who sold their soul for money and they have money now, they're living nice, right? Do they go to heaven? Because if they go to heaven, then it's unfair for us who didn't do money ritual. Then it's unfair for us. Yeah, bro. It's really unfair now. Because hey, no. People who sold their soul shouldn't go to heaven. It's gonna be so unfair. It's gonna be so unfair. It is going to be so unfair. Imagine now those who did money rituals and they're enjoying life right now. And then they die. Do they still go to heaven? It will be so unfair. Read the Bible when you get time. Do you have problems with HIV and AIDS? That is why I always say, if you want to date a person, imagine those enjoying now and then you also see them in heaven. And that person took a snake. You here, you're being holier than thou. Thinking you need to be holy because you want to go to heaven. You get to heaven, then you find out to go to it's okay, is Okala straight for 10 years. No, but a lot of people are going to be mad at God if you find someone who was ukuthi uthwele loyo muntu. But kodwa uhleli ezulwini nalabo ababulala. Jesus' soul was sold to wash our sins. I don't know. You look like a nice person. I don't know what to say except, but so many questions in our head. But I also, I know we have so many questions. Everybody has questions and stuff, but I feel like that should not make us stray from the word of God, you know. Mena, I'm 100% Christian. Guys, I'm lonely. Hey, flashbacks. How can I date you? You can just DM me and I will respond. Then I can take it. Do people have problems with HIV and AIDS? Yes, we do. We do. I mean, guys, that's why I'm saying, if you are a partner that likes to partner a lot, take PrEP. Bantfu bayagula la ngaphandle and ngilala bahle. It's not the ugly ones that you are running away from thinking, no, this one is not beautiful, this one is not beautiful. The most people who have HIV are those who present themselves as out there, Hey, stay on PrEP. Stay on PrEP. Stay on PrEP. Stay on PrEP. That's my only advice. That's my only advice. You can trust someone, but you can't trust them with your health. You understand me? Stay on PrEP. Testing every woman. The pretty and the handsome boys are the most dangerous. Even the girls too. Even the girls too. If they tell you Gucci knows Banzvanyana was doing this in her previous past or in his previous past, don't take it lightly. There's no smoke without fire. There is no smoke without fire. People can't just decide to wake up and go create a story about you. Yes, they can, but it's not often the case. You understand? It's not often the case. It is not only men who can bring HIV, women too, the pretty ones too. How is Botswana compared to... don't tell me about Botswana, I just don't care. What about your partners? Test them too. Like, make it a norm that you and your pastor will your partner will test every 2 months. If you're like me, do it every month. My friends and I, we went testing, and I said last month, and I said I would pay for them if we do the ELISA one, that they take your blood from here, not this thing that they pin you here and then you put there and then it gives you a result that you want. It's nonsense. I don't trust that. We went. The moment they saw, I love needles. They drew my blood out of here. Not every month, but like every now and then. My friend said, no, we are not drawing blood. We'd rather do this pinch here, the way they pinch them here. Nah. I am waiting for your exit. Please help me accept. I want to be your best friend in this life. Do you have money? If I may ask, I come from Eswatini. Do you believe that a cure is available? I don't. I do, but I just don't think everybody can afford it. So what do you do wrong often to test every month? I don't do anything wrong. I don't test every month. I said if you have a partner, you must test every month. I do not have a partner. I do not. I used to have a partner who cheated on me, and I had to test now and then at the moment. He had cheated on me, and I took him back, and I stayed with him 3 months after cheating, and I left him. Because it's not worth it. And it's not worth it to take back a partner who's cheated on you, guys. No, I do not. 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 That is the guy in my life who traumatized me, because the mistakes, you can't see them that he's making, and Futi, the way he will tell you that he loves you, you will believe him. He will even cry. I will even cry with him sometimes and think, yo, this man really loves me. Wankomba Shaga guy, he showed me Shege. Guys, that man showed me, and I wouldn't even tell anybody about this back at home. He was even crying sometimes when he would do something wrong, even when he put his hands on me, and then he would cry. And then I would feel bad for provoking him. Hey, guys, no ways. Ngiyabonga Shem, ngiyabonga. And right after breaking up with him, he got someone pregnant. And the lady kept the baby. That's when I knew that men are really manipulators, because a person will moor you and then act like you pushed him to that limit, and then he will cry. I mean, at the moment someone cries in front of me, you got me like that. Man, I like emotional people. If you cry in front of me, I don't care, even if it's someone I hate. If that person cries in front of me, I will automatically like that person. So ngiyabonga, we are not the same, sunshine. Uyabona umuntu athi we are not the same, afuna kungiqedela. Kanti ngeke guys, ngeke nyala inhlitiyo yini kuthiwa yini? Inhlitiyo ngiyabona. No, I'm talking about the partner that actually cheated on me 3 years ago. Who actually made me not believe in relationships. But I will never stop believing in love. Ngeke. I'm in love. There's no way you can stop me. You can't stop me. And futhi mina nakuzokhona mang in love. Noma ungathi ungidlisile ngidomtshela ukuthi wena uthi bangidlisile. Ngidomtshela. Ngidomtshela ukuthi uthi wena baby lo nalo bathi wena ungidlisile. I did that. Even my friend sometimes would text me and tell me, friend, this is not okay. I went and I told him that this girl thinks you're not right for me. And then he was like, yeah, people are like that because they see you happy, they see the lifestyle, and then they think, hey boo, woo. Minashem, we can talk about my husband or my boyfriend now. After we are done, I'm picking up the phone before I will tell him, Uti Valencia, you are saying that you are not good for me and you are cheating on me. That was me. 3 years ago, 4 years ago. That was me. I was isolated from all my friends. So there was one time he actually laid my hands on me, and then I was able to get to my phone. And then I called the guys back at my home, because my friends are my family friends. There's boys, there's men. Did they not come and murder him? They locked him in the house and they murdered him. That was that last. Then I heard that the girl that he was cheating me with while he was murdering me, he got her pregnant. Till today, every day he passes by my estate, every single day, to see who I'm dating. He still can't wrap around his mind, who am I dating? He doesn't understand what's happening. But the helper in my house tells me that, no, we see his car passing in, he passed up. Now he's even changing cars because he's trying to figure out who I'm dating, that guy. It's been 4 years. It's been 4 years. Because when he actually was the second person that I dealt with after I lost my virginity, and I spent quite the relationship was exciting at first. The first year it was exciting. It's the second year where it started getting toxic. When my friends, we would go out, and then if he would hear anything about a guy who came to our circle, and then he will ask, did that guy speak to you? And I'll be like, no, he didn't speak to me. If he did, he probably said hello to everybody. Guy, he will murder me for that. He will murder me. Why were you in his presence? I don't know why it got toxic. I don't know. Maybe it's because I started glowing up, maybe. I don't know, but maybe it's because I started glowing up. Maybe I started glowing up, and then he started being violent. Hi babe. Okay, hold on. Some of our lost virginity went way on wet dreams. He was toxic. Obsession looks bad. No, but the first year was perfect, guys. Was so perfect. He was so perfect, I won't lie. And that is why even today I feel like it was my happiest and my best and my worst relationship at the same time. It was because at the first year, guys, there was nothing. I've never heard him talk to a girl, never heard of him until we broke up. That's when I heard he was cheating on me and he got that woman pregnant. I heard about it right after the relationship. Imagine. I never, not once. His phone was always opened, guys, like this in the house. His phone was opened. He didn't get calls. The only calls he would get was from work, from friends, from family, and his kids. Never once have I ever seen him talking to a girl that I would be suspicious about. He had one phone that I know. No guys. Now I only heard about his cheating right after the relationship. And at the end of the relationship, people were telling me that we saw him with a girl, but he put her at the back seat of the car so that people don't see her. And which also was one of my insecurities, because he had always compared me to colored women. And I was like, my goodness, I don't have the colored woman's hair. I don't look like a colored woman. Like, I've always told me, guys, when whatever way he could, he would always try to make me feel like, especially the second year when I was trying to look good and dress well. Yeah, and that is why even today I still feel like, no, it was my best but also my worst relationship. Worst, why? Because it was violent. The best, why? Because the first time it was so beautiful. It was so beautiful. We would go on dates, we would go on weekends away together. He would put me first. It was good. It was good. And then also I don't understand how. And I always say, you know what, I think because this relationship was doomed because I met him on on Boxing Day. When I met him, it was Boxing Day. It was right after Christmas when I met him. So that relationship was bound to be violent because Boxing Day is obviously violent day. So yeah, guys, that is my story. I've moved on from it, but I won't say that I've totally healed. I don't claim to be perfect. I don't claim to be a good person. I've heard people along the lines of my life journey as well, not taking that problem of mine and making it my problem than to go and hurt other people. But I'm just telling my story. I'm just telling my story, and that is my story, guys. That is my story. What's your biggest regret? My biggest regret is actually not choosing. I've done a lot of things for people, and I lost a few things last year because of friends. So I regret trusting people too much, because once I be with you, I trust you so much. I regret trusting people. All of my friends that I picked along the line, they have betrayed me, even to an extent of trying to poison me, working with my ex, who I've just mentioned. And one, I even took her to the cops because it was extreme. You know, she had tried with my ex to poison me whatever way they could. The second one was very shocking, because that girlfriend of mine, she was very, very close to me. I don't know what happened, but I was told that she also was paid by my ex to get information about me, and so that I would be ripped apart, all of my cars and everything that I owned at the time. And they failed. My life definitely is a movie, and oh, 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 so bad, guys, so bad. How many cars you got? Currently one. Blue, I personally want you. She's telling us a half-baked story. Okay, why don't you find another place to live in? So when are you making an IG account? I will never have IG account. Sending you a healing and peace. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Appreciate that. You're a strong woman. It seems like God is on your side. God is always on your side when you don't plan on hurting people. If you don't hurt people and you acknowledge what you're doing, no one will try to force you down. I do have good friends of mine. I don't even know why I separated from them. It's because, when high school finishes and then you separate from your friends, then you meet other people that you think you can trust. It doesn't always go like that. It doesn't always go like that. It doesn't always go like that. And you can try, Shame, to hurt some. You can try to hurt someone by doing whatever you think is going to hurt someone. If God is not meant to destroy that person's life, you will never succeed. You will try by all means, but you will never succeed on trying to destroy someone who's destined to win. Friendship breakups are the worst, especially when you actually trusted them, did everything for them. If you created it, would be sign of a healing. Do you research out? Do you reach out? I've got three of them. It's Kondile, it's Nancy, it's Nosmilo. These ones I used to walk with them from and to school. I still have them even today, but they've grown. They have families now. I'm the only one who doesn't have a family, but I don't have any family. Which Nancy? Ndolo, Nosmilo. Ndolo, na Nosmilo na Kondile. I know you're thinking of Nancy Teblanche from Mataba government, but no, that's not my friend. Nancy Teblanche was friends with Bovuyelwa. You don't have family. Huh. How can I not have family? How can I not have family? You are a McLaren fan, eh? He is, Shame. He is. Hey, Bo, he is. Are you able to tab your smaller finger on the desk like that? I don't know. I love your eyebrows. Thank you. On the bright side. On the bright side. No, on the bright side, you learned only to trust God and put your guard up since self-love the greatest. Exactly. And you can't let people destroy you or change who you are. Wish to have someone like you. Yeah. There's also just vile people, people who are just vile, and there's nothing you can do about them. There's just people who are vile, be like, no, like you're just being selfish because I'm telling my story. Are you from Swaziland? I'm from Eswatini. Yes. If you have a problem with me being live, there's really not a problem for you. You don't even have to be here. She mustn't come here and play victim. Go ahead, go out. Don't be here. And also you must use your real account. Don't these are the type of people who are wife beaters. That a peasant who beats his wife or his woman, who someone who has beaten someone, he will defend someone. That is someone who is just a predator. And I won't block him. I want him here so that he would listen to me more, and then he would get annoyed so that he can go hang himself. My birthday is on the 4th of January. Women should stop depending on men for money because that's why they have power over you. I've never, and that was part of the problem. Your birthday is on the 3rd of January. That's good. That is so good. So you are a Capricorn as well. Can't wait to get into the month of Capricorns. Do you believe in zodiac signs, Capricorn? I just say it because most people say it too. I don't really think it works, but I just believe that they are signs. We are characterized in a group. I don't know how many zodiac signs are there. Okay, let me just put it here. Yeah, you're right. And you won't get moved. Go cry in your mom's pants. If zodiac signs were real, why do identical twins have different personalities? I don't know. I didn't say I believe in them. I think there are 12. I don't know how many they are. But I said you must ask him. Okay, baby, so thank you, darling. Especially Magwako. And I want to invite you to East Africa. Never. Hey, Madlavin. Hey, real ZZ. I would expect ZZ to be Z-Y-Z. No, Z-I-N-Z-Y. I didn't expect Z-Z as Z-I-Z-E-E. Where are you from? Eswatini. I'm from Eswatini. I'm trying to turn the camera. Block him, say he's miserable. No, I like the miserable people to be here so that they watch and then they feed their ego and then they get off their fat ass chairs. Then they go feel good. I told Blue Uzfe Yeah, I feel good with myself. Leave the peasants here. Let's not block them. I like people like him or her, because people are behind accounts and you can't tell if it's a he or her, just trying to pretend, because they are probably the ones that are the perpetrators in your life, but they have to act like they don't know, just leave them here to bazokhipha esifubeni la bafuna ukukhipha esifubeni. Blue, you mind helping me with my school fees? It's 250K. I do not have that much money. I'm a stalker. No, it's not even my stalkers. I'm monitoring spirits. They have to create a fake account because they are so scared of you. They can't come direct. In monitoring spirits, you must understand it can't come direct. Direct can't. Come direct and tell me who you are. Yabo, ute direct. Okay, am I natural or BBL? Let me stand up and show you so that you see for yourself. Big flex. Na BBL ya maki. Chilani slice buti number 5. Na BBL ya maki. So ngangitshela, oh, and it's a natural one. It's not the, I know, but some of the belly button is BBL. Like, no, this one is a natural one. You can cry now. You can go cry in your corner and come back again. Come back again. Come back again. Come back again. Hey, God. Maybe my favorite show is on. No, guys, I'm showing this person. He says, am I natural or am I BBL? I don't think I don't even think I afford a BBL. So no. I'll send Klingani. Thank you so much, my darling. He was double dipping, but you only got one dipping pregnant. What does that mean? What does that? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're 26. Wow, I didn't think that I was expired, but I'm 24. Still expired. Fumbled, bro, fumbled. I think he did not, because he was able to get a girl right after cheating on me, and I never cheated on him, and he just decided that he is going to lie. But I don't think anybody fumbled anybody. He decided to go get another person. No, they're talking about Slice. Who the hell is Slice? Guys, don't mind that peasant. Like, let him talk. Let's not even talk about him. Let's leave him. Who the hell is he? Slice is probably gay, is suffering inside. It's not him that's fighting, it's the gay boyish inside that wants to come out, So you're not dating now. I am talking to someone, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I am talking to someone, and it's going well so far. It's going well so far. Are you South African? I'm from Eswatini. Can I request, baby girl? I don't take requests, unfortunately, guys. And I will also leave at 3 o'clock because I have to drive out. going to the mall. But at 3 o'clock I have to leave, guys. I have to start cooking. Have you been to SA? Yes, that's where I pick up my order. I look 34. Huh. I'll take that compliment, okay? Do you speak Swahili? I don't speak none of that. I speak English and Siswati. That's the only languages that I speak, guys. I speak English and Siswati. Eswatini, I will marry each and every day. Because there's pretty women in Swaziland. I won't lie, there's gorgeous women in Swaziland. Future Shabani. Hi, Future. Where are you? I'm right here. Hey, Mama, hey. If you're interested in having babies someday, no. The chopped men trying to humble the already humble. Blue is actually crazy now. They're trying to, can never get to me, I promise you. Trying to talk to you on live is just hard. I've been trying to talk to you for 2 years. I'm 22 now. Still young, but I can chow. You're legal. You're legal. Do you like Nigerians? No. 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 I don't do anything for a living. Do you like Ghanaians? No. I think everybody has their limits to dating. I just like colored people. Colored, I would do a black normal guy from Swaziland, South Africa. I don't think that I can go that far. You know, I don't think I can go that far, and I don't think that I'm their type too. And I don't have a problem with that. Everybody has their own type. There's men who like fat women. There's men who like slim women. So we all have our differences. We all have our differences. We all have our limits. It seems like you are scared. I will take that. If you think I'm scared, it's fine. I accept. I'm scared. That's your opinion. I'm very, very scared. I agree. I'm very scared. I'm very scared. Everybody has their preferences, guys. There's people who like light-skinned women. There's people who like dark-skinned women. But we all have limits. In fact, you are trembling. They should leave you. I'm very, very scared. Darling, I want collections of wives. It should be V at the end. But congratulations, you will have a lot of wives. But if I got you, I will eat you like group of fish. Respect boundaries. How tall are you? I'm 176 centimeters. Yes, true, Muslim South Africa, we are winning. Probably. Wives are friendly though. Yeah, they are. And you don't have to explain how different from the rest. Everyone must stick to their lanes. Exactly. Hi love. Hi Simply Kim. Guys, I do have 10 minutes left here because I have to leave. Okay, you are a nice person. I like the way you speak your mind. Thank you, darling. I need you. You're my type. Okay, you're my type too. You're my type too. Can you drive rough? You need my WhatsApp. What is your type? Me. What is your type, Madlamin? It's me. How? I hate to meet you like this. I was asking myself, how do people play this game here that there's another person here and then they fight in the game? I don't know how you do it, but like people play it because the other content creator will join in and then you join in too and then they fight and then there's like a battle up there and I don't know what it is. Yes, it's battles, yes. You love my dental formula. These big teeth like a rabbit. When I grew up, I thought they weren't nice. Then I started accepting them. Come on, Matlamini, what is your type? But I just said it's me. It's me though. I'm my type. I like me. My phone is gonna die soon. What? Guys, for the ladies who were asking where I bought my hair, I bought it from Hair by Olive in Nigeria. She's my vendor and I depend on her for hair, guys. And I'm so excited to say that I'm actually getting another hair from her. So I can't wait. Can we be